Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Mejasg Mejasg Electronic Dartboard. It is an electronic device with German, English and Chinese voice and a light crystal display. It is a nice screen. With this screen comes a lot of games, but there are 12 hours included, 34 games and 355 variations. It is an innovative dart machine, an electronic dartboard for 1 up to 8 players. Because we have here a professional electronic dartboard. Oh yeah, the dartboard has 34 games and 355 variations, including 301, cricket, round the clock, high score, and so on. It's space for up to 8 players, which can play together. So we can set up a computer player and set 5 difficult levels. If you have to play with a computer, for example. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, expert, and professionals. After the game, we can press the player button to see the average scores of each player throwing darts and see how well each player can throw. And we have 3 voice prompts and an adjustable volume. The electronic dartboard is available in 3 languages, German, English, and Chinese. It's easy to understand the voice prompts. This helps announce instruction and, of course, the winners. The innovative dart machine has 8 volume levels, including a silent mode. The sliding scoring block on the dartboard acts as buffer when throwing darts, which can reduce the sound and the prevent of the scoring block from breaking. And this dartboard is made of high quality PP materials, and on the outside it is 35 cm, 13.78 inches large. The throwing area, there is a non-punctuation dart ring to protect our wall and miss darts. We can always play darts with family and friends at home, office gone, in the bar, in the garage, indoor and outdoor. The dartboard set is an ideal companion for big games, and it's battery or it is wired powered. After we have attached the screws and expansion the screw to the wall, we can hang or remove the dartboard electronically professional on the wall at any time. The electronic dartboard is powered by included 2-meter power supply or 3 of AA batteries, which are not included. Whether the outdoors or indoors, we can always play darts. Within 2 meters, we can electronically see the content of the illuminated display of the dartboard. The dartboard comes in diameters 46 to 52 to 2.6 centimeter. These are the dimensions: 18.11 to 20.47 to 1.02 inches. We have 12 darts plus 100 dart tips, plus 24 dart flights, plus 25 spring rings, plus 2 flight protectors, plus a throwing line, a power supply, and of course the multi-purpose tool dart. And we can have fun with it. During the transportation or normal play, it is possible that the scoring segments of this dartboard become temporarily jammed, resulting in a frozen segment. If this happens, the display of the dartboard will show a false signal and the number of the stuck scoring segment. We take then easy peasy steps to fix that problem. According to the screen display, we find the stuck scoring segment. We press down firmly or swing the stuck scoring segment left and right until the position of the stuck scoring segment is readjusted. Once the stuck scoring segment are loosened, the error will disappear and the dartboard can continue to operate it. We have a lot of segments there. If we have a single segment, this scores 1. The double segment, this scores twice. Triple scores 3 times. The outer bullseye is 25 points. The inner bullseye is 25. 2 times, that means 50. You see, we have a lot of games there. We have 301, 501, 601, 701, 801, 901. We have 101 league, up till 901 league. Prisoners, single round high score, best the 9, cricket, no score cricket, cut through cricket, killer cricket, count up, round the clock, Shanghai, high score, bingo, infinite shot, and so on. These are total 355 games. We have an on and off power switch. We have a game and restart button. We have a player button, an option button, cyber miss button, a volume button, of course a language and bounce out button, the next player and enter button. So a lot of possibilities to use this really cool cardboard, this board, to have a good time with you and your family and friends. This is really cool, easy to adjust. As you can see, you can attach it by using 4 screws or 2 screws, hang it up, or get it on, in position somewhere you like, and then have fun with the Mejasg Electronic Dartboard with German, Chinese, and English voice and an LCD screen. It's an electronic dartboard with 12 arrows, 34 games, 355 variations. This is an innovative dart machine for home and for everywhere you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.
Hanyi, Deutschland, English, Hanyi, Deutschland, 5:01, 6:01, 7:01, English, 8:01, 9:01, 3:01 lead, Hanyi, 501团队，601团队，701团队，801团队，Deutschland, 9:01 Liga, 6 Spieler, 8 Spieler, 4 Spieler, Gefangener. Spieler 1